never used this thing right here before, so brown and red. So let me use this. Let's cut this off. Come on now. Let's see what this brings. See what the heck this right here brings. I think I got a crawl. Something that'll match it. Got that done. Yeah. All right. I don't want to do that today. Let's throw the shaky heat. Got one. Okay. First one of the day. Yeah. I wanted to throw that bladed jig around, but man, you can't deny what they want to bite. First one of the day on the shaky head. Welcome everybody back to the channel. Today I'm back on my little local lake. It's a couple days in March, and I'm really just trying to see exactly what the fish are doing right now. Started out, I threw a lipless crankbait. I threw a Texas rig around a little bit, even throw the bladed jig around for probably longer than any of them, and you know, wasn't getting, just didn't feel nothing, you know, just didn't have that feel. You know, it's all about feeling. To me, it's the confidence level when you're fishing, you know. And if you're throwing a lure that's not really, you know, making you feel inside that you're gonna catch anything, you know, you really kind of wasting your time. It's amazing how, you know, your mind and everything else, you know, if it's into the lure that you're doing and it feel right, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna catch something off that lure if you throw it long enough. But if you're throwing something out there and you immediately have that feeling, nah, I ain't gonna catch nothing, that's not the way you want to feel. You want to feel like you're gonna catch something. And so that's what the day has turned into. Even though I've only caught one little bitty largemouth, I threw around a few other baits that I don't know, I wasn't real sure about them. You know, it came down to the drop shot and the shaky head. So I figured, I said, well, you know, this lake right here, it gets a lot of grass and, you know, the wrong kind of stuff in it during the summertime. You know, so with it being still March and that stuff hadn't had a chance yet to grow, I figured, well, do the shaky head. You know, let me put this shaky head on and see if it'll work. I caught one, so I guess it did work. Let's see if we can catch another one and make it a pattern. Sure exactly there's any fish in here, but it feels good. This bottom feels real good. Let's see if I can find old big mouth up in there. I don't know what to say. They just ain't ready. Just the bite is so slow. I mean, I'm creeping like a turtle down the lake now. Just trying to figure them out. Just caught one. Yeah, he was pretty good size. Bass. Yeah, just catching and releasing them. I eat them every now and then, but I like catching them too. So, yeah. You too. Alright, everybody. Back in the truck. Man, that was a kind of rough day. You know what I'm saying? It's really, really cold. Like I said, yesterday it was like in the mid 60s to 70s. But today, man, I think it barely got into the 50s. It got cold. It got cold out there. And on top of that, the fish didn't want to bite at all. I mean, here I am in my truck and I'm still wrapped up. So, yeah, it was a tough day. I was only able to catch that one fish, but you know, sometimes that's how it is. Like I said, the last time I went there, I didn't catch anything. So I'm happy to just be able to put one fish in the boat. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, and I'll holler at y'all on the next one.